Okay, London session had quite a few setups, but I didn't take any trades because of news. So I'll walk you through the process. First thing I did, do my watch list, all my London pairs, quite a few signal days, trend breakout signal day. Uh, I have my daily breakout level, monthly, weekly, and a breakout day going with a strong trend. That's the red flags. Green flags are fake out days that are going in the direction of the daily breakout level down here. So when that happens, I want to take a high of the day, sell, and continue in the same direction. And the third signal day is a fake out day at the high of the week that fakes out a weekly high or a monthly high. So that's in blue. And then the final signal day is yellow when it takes out the last breakout when the bias of the chart changes. So it was initially bullish and now it's bearish. So those are my signal days on Forex. I put all the breakout ones in one chart. So in breakout days, I'm looking to trade the trend retracement setup, which is a pullback and then continuation. All of these already moved in Asia. So this one I could take off my list. EJ, it's the setup is no longer valid. If I wanted to trade this, it would be a break and retest. But for Forex in Asia and London, I only trade my signal day setup. So nothing on EJ. This was another one from previous H4 low fake out up to previous day high. That setup's gone. This one also broke out. So all of these setups no longer are valid for me. So I did not trade any of these. The only one that I could possibly have taken was Euro USD. But I start London trading at exactly at London Open, which is 2 p.m. here. It already dumped down, already made its move. So this was out. GJ, I took GJ in the morning in Asia. I took my profits somewhere around here. No setup on GJ. The move's already been made. NZD Swiss again broke out, so I could remove all of these from my watch list, which leaves me with just four, which happen to be my four favorite signal days. Coming into Europe, London Open, Cat Swiss fake out day. I would this I want to sell at the high of the day. This was out because the move already happened. Euro Swiss was still Euro Swiss 2 p.m. was already gone, broke out. So this was out on a fake out day again, looking to sell at the high of the day. So that left me with two pairs to look at: Euro CAD, Euro GBP. So coming into London, this was exactly where I wanted it to be. Euro GBP also exactly where I wanted it to be. So I looked at both of those in depth to see which one I wanted to trade. So EuroCAD, turn this 15 minutes. So EuroCAD was fake out at the high, previous week high fake out. So I'm looking for a breakout reversal, false break, fake out retracement, and then I'm looking for a fake out continuation over here. So it's easier to see on the daily, I think. Here's my last breakout level. So previous high breakout, that is a breakout. So I'm in the breakout cycle right now. Continues up, fakes out the previous high. So that's a breakout reversal. I'm in the breakout reversal part of the cycle. Breaks below a previous H8 low and then breaks below the breakout level. So here's the breakout level, previous low, breaks below, it's false breakout. It's one of my favorite trades to take if it sets up. Um, and then fakes out the previous low, H8 low over here, and retraces back up. That's a fake out retracement, previous low, H8 fake out, comes up, and then fakes out the previous high right here for the fake out continuation trade. Previous high fake out continuation trade, 3 star. It's my favorite. It's one of my favorite trades to take. So this one set up beautifully, and this is a trade that I wanted to take. So I like EuroCAD because of that. Euro GBP, same thing, but the pattern isn't as clear. You have breakout level, one breakout level over here, but you also have one down here. So here's the last, another breakout level down here. This one was never taken out, so it's still bullish. I still consider this a bullish move. So you have a breakout over here, breakout reversal, false breakout underneath the breakout level. This whole thing becomes your peak formation, previous low fake out, right? So I could see my cycles again, previous low fake out retracement, back up to the previous high fake out for the fake out continuation. So this was the move. Another move I liked, but the reason I didn't really like this one was it was above the day breakout low. So I'm bullish above this, bearish below. This is also the H8 breakout level. So I'm bullish above this, but since I faked out the H8, it's valid to take sells. But I just wasn't so. This wasn't as clean as the EuroCAD. So, anyways, EuroCAD, 2 p.m. Waited for London Open. It had already dropped. It was a bit too far for me to take. Didn't want to take with my stop loss like this high down to the previous day low. So I ended up looking at Euro GBP. This was closer up high at London Open, and I'd find taking this trade down to the previous day low. But right at London Open, it just shot down, and there was always a chance that price gets stuck at the H8 bullish levels, and so that's why I didn't take this. Hold on a second. Pause this for a second. All right, sorry about that. Had to do something quick. Okay, so I was talking about Euro GBP. I didn't take it because the H8 level was too close, so I skipped this trade. And then shortly after that, I had there was some news events, so I was waiting for that to play out, and I was waiting for this to pull up a bit higher, and it didn't get up high enough for me to want to take this. So I looked at EuroCAD. EuroCAD was the one I really wanted to take, but when news happened around here, it shot up, straight up, made a higher high, and I wanted to take it, but I kind of hesitated because I didn't know which way news was going to take the chart. So I did wait for a bit, and then so there was another entry over here. I waited for the M15 to close, but again, it's a bit far. And then there was news again. And originally, I had a sell stop here, wanting to take it down to the previous day low with my stop loss at the high of the day, but it just didn't make sense. This is only almost a 2-hour trade. It doesn't make sense to take a risk like that for me. There's always a chance to lose my 1 hour on a news whiplash. Just to make 1.8 R, it's just not worth it for me. I would definitely have done it if I could get maybe like 5 R, but having my sell stop down over here just didn't make sense. I didn't want to take that risk, so I ended up skipping this trade, and looks like it'll be a good trade. Euro GBP also, um, I would have exited already. So missed out on two good trades when that happens. Um, yeah, that's fine. Like so all my forex setups are all gone now. So all my London pairs, no more setups on the forex pairs. So when that happens, I'm strictly looking at my setups and trading them on the index and gold and oil. So for me, DE30 didn't give me any sort of setup. I have no levels around here, even though I can see some levels here. It's reacting off of it. I just didn't like any of the movement. Didn't want to force anything. There's no need to force anything. Um, gold. Yesterday, I think my need to double check this, but I think my bias on gold now is bullish. Let me just double check here. Um, my bias was bullish because, yeah, so my bias is bullish because here is the weekly breakout level. It bounced off of that and it triggered the previous week low, right? So you have a week breakout high, triggered the previous week low. What is that? Breakout high triggers the previous low. It's a breakout continuation. So gold for me is in a breakout continuation cycle. So I'm bullish on that. Uh, I don't need to take any, like, once again, I don't need to take any unnecessary risks. I'm not going to take, if it comes down here, I'm not going to take any fake out. I would only look for a continuation on this. It's an inside day. Yeah, no need to take any trades for me. I'm not going to force anything. Oil was the other one that I wanted to take. I'm waiting for it to drop again. The only thing with oil is that it created, I believe, on the 8 hour, it created a range. So the last 8 hour closed inside the previous one. So this creates a range for me. I don't like to trade when I'm inside a range. I'm either looking for a push down, fake out above and go down, or a move all the way up to the top of the range to continue down. Don't think I'm looking for sells for buys until, yeah, I mean, there's no levels right now. So only looking for sells on oil. Nothing set up for me. Yeah, so that's it. Uh, had quite a few setups, but they all moved. I'm not going to take anything just for the sake of it. For Forex, I only take signal day setups until New York. New York, that's when I'll look for any setup, but usually I'm trading something else. All my setups, they moved before, missed out on some because of news. There's still some news coming up in about 30 minutes. I'm not going to sit around and wait for something to show up. I'm just going to um, come back for New York. And so that's it. No trades, London.